it's Nicole and
What up?
Jason from Honest Try TV.
Hey.
And today we're going to be installing our UPPAbaby MESA car seat.
It's a gray one.
We just got it, MESA UPPAbaby. And we did an unboxing video. Please go check that out. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below.
It was good stuff.
And yeah, now we're going to actually, now that we've taken it out the box, we've kind of looked at it. I'm going to be relying on Jason's expertise.
But we also got the manual. So just in case, for whatever reason, I can't do it. And we're going to be installing it in Nicole's Jeep that we got here.
Yeah.
But do you want to tell them these little additions that we got from the shower or gifts?
From the baby shower. So we have other gifts here that we received from friends and family, including the Cozy Cover Infant Carrier Cover. Isn't that adorable?
Looks adorable.
So it provides additional insulation for your little one. And it's supposed to be able to go right over any carrier, basically. And so there's like a little flap for their face, and you can zip them out while still protecting them from the elements. You can also, of course, cover your child with a blanket, but this gives them like more room to kind of operate in the car seat without having something on them.
We'll test it out afterwards.
So we'll check that out.
Yeah.
And then also another gift that I received was this. So apparently, babies, when they're first born, the three colors that they know best are black, white, and red. Red because when they look at their mother's uterus in daylight or in bright light, it's red. So this is supposed to be like a really good type of gift for newborn babies to kind of engage them using colors that they're already familiar with. So it also has, these little plushies.
Oh.
There's little things for them to play with. It's like a rattle and stuff. And also there is a mirror, which that's really cool. So I have to take the protective thing off. I'll do that later. But yeah, so we have that.
Objects might appear closer than they actually are.
So we have that on the carrier, and you know, you just wrap it around the handle, and it's something to keep your baby engaged.
Cool. Well,
and so good. Yeah, it's like a little mobile of hanging things for the baby to play with and engage with while they're in this space. But anywho, okay, so let's get started. So looking at our table of contents here, we're going to go down to the base installation with lower anchors, which starts on page 19. So I'm skipping forward to page 19. And here are our instructions, as well as a bunch of warnings around what not to do. So I'm going to read through some of this really quick, and then I'm going to take it over from Jason, who's going to actually do a demo of what to do.
Yep.
So step one is to place the base on the vehicle seat. The base is this bad boy, with the adjustment foot towards the vehicle seat back. Then you're going to press the level adjust button at the top of the base.
Okay.
To extend the foot and change the recline angle. So that's that button.
Got it.
The middle one.
Yep.
You see it? Check the angle indicators on either side of the base. The base is level when only the green marker is visible between the two arrows. So it shouldn't look like that.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So no. So let's start with that. That's page 1.
Let's go ahead.
All right.
So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to turn this around, and I'm going to take out the actual car seat from the base, which we actually found out how to do on the last video. So make sure you watch the last video. We're going to pull right here up, and it pulls right off.
Okay.
Put that down to the side. Now we got the base. And this is what we're going to install in our Jeep.
Right, and there's the button for the recline.
For the level, yeah.
And the level. So.
And then we got the little anchors here on the side. It's probably going to be a little harder to see. There's the anchor. It's pretty cool actually, because I just figured you push this button and then you pull it off from here. Look at that. It has its own little seat belt attached. You just clip into the anchors. It's pretty bad.
Okay.
It's pretty cool.
This is my first time seeing a car seat, so.
And then we got this center part here. you just where the seatbelt goes, which is pretty nice actually. They make it really, really nice and easy because usually you have to dig it through holes like this. This you just pull it in, and it's done. Okay, cool. So let's go ahead and get started.
All right, so I'm going to go this side. Jason's going to go his side. And here we are.
All right, so we're gonna get the this base side facing the cars. I mean, facing the seats, the rear of the seats. And now it said I have to adjust. Oh, I'm sorry, it's the wrong way. Wrong way.
There you go.
Yeah.
I was about to say,
No, that's wrong.
So
Right.
place the base on the vehicle seat with the adjustment foot forward toward the vehicle seat. So that's the adjustment foot right there.
Yep.
And then step 2, we're going to press the level adjust button on the top.
Yep.
So you're going to press that level adjust
Got
button. And then check the angle indicators on either side of the base. The base is level when the green marker is visible between the 2 arrows.
If you go down right here, you can see it as well. I mean, it looks green either way,
Yep.
honestly. It looks green good there.
Level when no red visible.
And it also, but if you look, I'm going to do up.
No, it does change.
It does? Mine doesn't change. Mine stays green.
Hold on.
Is yours not green?
You got it stable?
Yeah.
Yep, mine is green.
Yeah, so I'm confused because either way, look, I'm going to drop it now. There.
Still green.
Yeah, so I guess either one is good, I guess, for this car
For
at
this
least.
particular seat, looks
Yeah.
like we're fine. Okay, cool.
Move on.
Next page. Oh, wait. I gotta do this one-handed. There we go. Okay. We're gonna go to step 3. Locate the lower anchor connectors
Yep.
on either side of the base and remove by pushing the corresponding orange button on the top.
And that's
of
what we
the
were just
base.
talking about a little earlier, these 2 buttons right here. Right here. So we push to release the side grab of the anchor right there and let go. And then we're going to get these guys right here to clip onto the anchor. And the anchor in this vehicle actually has a little, I don't know if you can see the little baby cart symbol right there.
I'm trying to see. There's our little car seat symbol.
Yeah, it has one on each side. So I'm just going to jam this in there until we hear a click. Ready? Yeah.
Yeah, heard it.
You heard it clip?
Yeah.
There we go. That's one side. You see it. It's like anchored in there. I'll get the other in a second. 1 sec.
Okay, so while he's working on that, the next step will be to apply pressure firmly onto the base, allowing all the excess lower anchor connector webbing to retract and tighten. And then after that, we'll do a safety check. I heard a click.
Yep, there we go. And it said,
So put pressure on it,
yes, ma'am. There you go.
and then we're green.
Is it? Oh, it's kind of red. Hold on.
Oh, wait.
There you go.
Here we go. Now
Now
we're
it's
green.
Yep. Cool.
All right.
Next up. Yeah, I think that bad boy is in there.
Okay, good. All right, so we're green. Now we're going to do a safety check. Base doesn't move more than 1 inside to side at the belt path A. Yeah, it's not moving.
No,
Ensure
it
tightness
is-
indicator
it
is
good.
green. We did that. Lower anchor belts are secure and until, yep. Recline angle is correct. Yes, we're green on both sides. Come on. Level when no, so we're good. And that's it. So the base is installed using the anchors. There's also instructions later on for how to install using a seatbelt. That's next up. It says base installation with vehicle seatbelt, but we won't be doing that. But if you were going to do that, then that's what that little blue
It's basically,
connector.
yeah, you use the center seat belt here. And my understanding is you go through the hoops here, just like that. And you open up this little blue. And you put it right through there, the seat belt right through it. And then you clamp it like that and close it up. Like that. And that's how you use the seatbelt.
Yep. And then same kind of test. You want to make sure that you're green all around.
Yeah, here, and then
Secure.
I wonder personally which one's safer or best.
I like the anchor better.
Yeah, I think the anchor one's probably a little better, but who knows? I mean, I don't know.
All right, so that's it for the base installation.
Let's put the baby seat in now.
Yeah. Next up, we put in a little foot seat.
Okay, you'll get it.
And it should be pretty straightforward. It should just be a matter of dropping and locking.
Okay, got the baby seat, and it's dropping in. Oh, you gotta move up your car seats.
I gotta move my car seats forward?
Yeah, it's
too tight.
Yeah.
Okay, hold on 1 second. And we just move the front seats forward.
So I guess with more compact SUVs, you gotta make sure the seats are up forward before putting in the car seats, so it actually clips in there.
Yep, and
then after that, you can put the seats back how you want it. But it does take a good chunk of space. If you can see there, like this is already touching this rear seat. And Nicole probably moved it halfway up.
Mm-hmm.
So you don't have too much space of,
for
going back.
more compact SUVs.
For a small, SUV. Compact.
Yeah, so, I mean, that's fine for me. That's enough space. I'll just leave it permanently there. Permanently there. But yeah, there's my baby seat. Ah!
And now we got this guy right here.
Okay.
We're going to open it up. So we got the car seat cover. Got a little flap right here. So I assume this is where the face goes. We're going to put the handle down. There you go. It clips. Oh, you're going to have to move this up even more, actually, because it's floating now because of that. Either way, we'll figure that out. You see that? That's nice.
Yes.
We're going to wrap it around. And there we go. You see that? You got the little flap. I wonder, I guess, is the baby sleeping? That's why you put a flap?
Also cold weather, wind, rain.
Oh, okay.
It's more of a weather protector. So like when you're carrying the car seat, you don't have to like cover them with a blanket or something that might smother them. This floats above the child.
I got it. Okay. Well, there we go. That's the car seat cover and the car seat. Thank you guys for watching. If anyone has any questions or comments,
leave them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah, this has been Nicole and Jason.
Yeah.
Installing.
Yeah.
The UPPAbaby MESA car seat. And our new car seat cover here. And our Jeep Renegade. Along with our little mobile toy here for the baby. But yeah, don't forget to check out our other videos. If you're interested in more baby content, we've got plenty of that coming. So we will see you guys later. Bye.
See ya.